Hi, my name is Andy Jones. I'm the director of Africa Heartwood Project. I'm here with Amy Moon and the Good Bird Design Village Water Project. This is their kickoff fundraising event here in their neighborhood. They've made a bunch of delicious baked goods and crafts. And they've got all sorts of fun activities going on. These are wonderful people who wanted to make a difference in their own way, doing what they do every day. And I want to just show you around a little bit. This is the cake walk. People purchased a ticket to the cake walk to raise funds for the Fao-Manye Village Water Project. These are some of the volunteers who have given a lot of time and energy to help make a difference here tonight. Sold a lot of cookies. Oh, there's Amy Moon, the lady who made it happen. Yay! To put it on the website for the Fao-Manye Village Water Project. Thank you for being here tonight. Crafts, there's a thankful tree, table box, poetry, kids crafts, necklaces. Children have made many of these crafts. They're all donated. Jams, change the world. You put a change bottle in your house, you fill it with all the change, your spare change, and at the end of the fundraising project you bring it back, and all that spare change will go to help provide clean water for people in Fao-Manye Village. All of the crafts and baked goods are all donated, so 100% of the income goes to the water project. To learn more about how you can support Good Bird Design in providing clean water for Fao-Manye, visit goodbirddesign.blogspot.com or go to africaheartwoodproject.org. Thank you.